What's up everyone, it's Dominic from Verco and this is another video on how to master ActiveCampaign. Thanks for being here. On today's video, we're going to look at how to fully automate your sales pipeline using ActiveCampaign CRM. By combining the power of ActiveCampaign's automation with its CRM, you can automate all the steps of your sales pipeline, saving your sales team countless hours of their time. Now, if you're looking for the best price for your ActiveCampaign account or looking for enhanced coaching and support included in the price of your ActiveCampaign account, please click the link in the description. We'd be happy to help you. Now, let's review the steps that have been automated. This video is just a brief overview of the entire pipeline. We'll explore the details in other videos. So first, I have a standard sales pipeline with 7 steps. Contact made, qualified, meeting schedule, quote approved, quote sent, negotiation started, and visit planned. It all starts when a prospect fills out a form or visits a pricing page. This will add a deal to the pipeline. A task is then created for the prospect to qualify the deal. If the deal is qualified, it moves to that stage in the pipeline. A one-to-one email is then sent to invite the prospect to a meeting. The prospect then books a meeting through Calendly, and the deal moves to the meeting schedule stage. A one-to-one email is sent to the prospect with useful information ahead of the meeting. A week before the meeting, a task is also added for the deal owner to start preparing. Finally, on the day of the meeting, another task is automatically added to determine if a quote needs to be created by the deal owner after the meeting. If a quote needs to be created, the deal is transferred automatically to the sales manager, and a task is added to approve the quote after the quote URL has been added to the deal. Once approved, a one-to-one email is then sent to the prospect, and the deal moves to the quote send stage. At that stage, a series of 3 one-to-one email follow-ups are sent to the prospect in the following 2 weeks. If the prospect replies to one of the email, the deal moves to the negotiation started page. Once the negotiation has started, repeated follow-up tasks are added every 5 days for as long as the deal is opened. 10 days prior to the visit date, the deal moves to the visit plan stage, and a task to start preparing for the visit is assigned to the deal owner. As you can see, the deal navigates through the entire pipeline automatically with just a few pit stops along the way for the deal owner to approve the deal, moving on to the next stages. In the next video, we'll cover in more details how to build this automated pipeline step by step. But that's it for today's video though. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you are by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video to help me get the word out. Thank you for watching.